Best budget PC cases mechanical keyboards have gained massive popularity among typists and gamers for their tactile feedback, durability, and satisfying precision. Similarly, PC builders look for cases that combine design quality, airflow efficiency, smart layout, and great value. In this guide, we review 5 of the best budget PC cases that strike the perfect balance between affordability and performance, offering strong cooling, easy assembly, and modern aesthetics without the premium price tag. Product number 1. Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L Micro ATX Tower with Magnetic Design Dust Filter. The Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L is a compact, stylish, and highly flexible micro ATX case ideal for budget-conscious builders. Its standout feature is the magnetic dust filter, which simplifies cleaning and helps maintain airflow. Despite its smaller size, it supports full-length graphics cards and multiple fan configurations. The transparent acrylic side panel provides a clean view of your components, while the perforated chassis ensures decent ventilation. Although airflow could be better with higher-end fans, the modular layout and customizable orientation, vertical or horizontal, make it extremely versatile. Perfect for those building a small yet capable system, the Q300L offers tremendous value for its price. Product number 2. NZXT H5 Flow 2024 Compact ATX Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case. The NZXT H5 Flow 2024 is a compact ATX mid-tower designed to optimize airflow without sacrificing sleek aesthetics. Its perforated front panel enhances cooling efficiency, and the dual pre-installed fans provide solid out-of-the-box performance. Cable management is simplified through spacious routing channels and integrated straps, helping create a clean, professional-looking build. The case supports full-sized GPUs, multiple radiators, and modern ATX motherboards, making it an excellent choice for both gamers and creative professionals. While front I/O ports are somewhat limited, its sturdy construction, balanced airflow, and minimalistic design make it one of the most refined budget ATX cases on the market. Product number 3. NZXT H9 Flow Large, dual-chamber, ATX Mid-Tower Airflow PC Case. The NZXT H9 Flow brings premium design concepts to the budget segment, offering a dual-chamber layout that separates the PSU and cables for a cleaner build aesthetic. Its large glass panels highlight your components beautifully while maintaining superior airflow thanks to strategically placed vents and fan mounts. This case supports high-end GPUs, multiple radiators, and eATX motherboards, giving you ample room for expansion. Although its size may be overkill for smaller builds, its flexibility and airflow performance rival many premium cases. For those who want room to grow without paying premium prices, the H9 Flow stands out as an excellent investment. Product number 4. The NZXT H9 Flow 2025 Large Dual-Chamber ATX Mid-Tower Airflow PC Case. The NZXT H9 Flow 2025 brings premium design concepts to the budget segment, offering a dual-chamber layout that separates the PSU and cables for a cleaner build aesthetic. Its large glass panels highlight your components beautifully while maintaining superior airflow thanks to strategically placed vents and fan mounts. This case supports high-end GPUs, multiple radiators, and eATX motherboards, giving you ample room for expansion. Although its size may be overkill for smaller builds, its flexibility and airflow performance rival many premium cases. For those who want room to grow without paying premium prices, the H9 Flow stands out as an excellent investment. Product number 5. Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Black Mid-Tower eATX Case. For those wanting a showcase-style build on a budget, the Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB delivers outstanding style and airflow. Featuring tempered glass on both the front and side panels, it provides a panoramic view of your setup.
3 pre-installed ARGB fans ensure excellent cooling and lighting effects, while support for eATX motherboards and large GPUs adds flexibility for future upgrades. The internal layout promotes easy cable routing and neat component organization. Although the finish isn't as refined as higher-end models, it's a top-tier choice for builders who want both aesthetics and practicality at a budget-friendly price.